Hi guys, if you want to see how I made these cute key charms, then stay tuned. Hey everybody, it's Nicole coming at you with a last minute Christmas gift DIY idea. And everything that you need for this DIY can be found in Dollar Tree. Everything. So one-stop shop. So let me show you what you're going to need. The first thing you're going to need are some of these wooden blocks. You know what they are. You know where you can find these in Dollar Tree, because I'm not trying to get into any issues with YouTube. You feel me? So y'all know what these are. The next thing you're gonna need are some of these head screws or eye screws. I don't know exactly what the technical term are, but these are in the picture hanging kits that you can find in the hardware section in Dollar Tree, or you might even have these in your stash already from hanging pictures and things like that. But if not, just grab a pack of the picture hanging kits, or a picture hanging kit should I say, from Dollar Tree, and you'll find these in there. So yeah, the next thing you're gonna need too are some key ring blanks. I have seen these in Dollar Tree in the stationery section. I had these in my stash already, so I didn't have to go out and buy any. But if you can't find these, like individual or a pack of them in Dollar Tree, you can always go over to the novelty section and grab like some of their keychains and just remove the ring from there. Or if you're like me, you got a bunch of old keychains and rings and stuff around, and you can just recycle them. So yeah. And the last thing you're gonna need are some paint pens or markers to add some color and do your detailing. So I got the Jot paint pens from Dollar Tree. That's their brand of paint pens. And I also found these dual-ended markers as well. I just grabbed all the colors that they had in both of these, and I'm going to use these. Or you can use the Sharpies that they have there as well, or you may already have these in your stash. So let's get started on making these little key charms. They're going to be so cute, y'all. So the first thing you want to do is actually take your head screw, or whatever it's called, and add this to your block. And all you're gonna do, and I'm hoping you guys can see this, is just screw it in. They're really easy. Whoops, let me get right here where you can see it. Really easy to do. You just want to kind of put a little pressure, get it started, and twist it in. And I'm hoping y'all can see this. And that's pretty much it. And just screw it in like so. And yeah, so I have some that I've already done, or I already have the little screws in there, and you can choose whichever finish you want, the silver or the gold, because I think both colors come in the kits if I'm not mistaken. And then the next thing is to take whatever color paint pen that you want to use and go ahead and paint your block. If you want to do all the sides, you can, do the whole thing, or you could do one side or 3 sides and then have a blank side. That's totally on you. So I have some that I've already painted, like this blue one. I did 3 sides. I got this one where I actually took this pen right here and I painted the back side and the sides with this, to give it sort of a wooden finish, so it'll look like stained wood. And you can do that with some watered down paint if you want to. So let me show you what we're gonna do, or what I'm gonna do. Now this is where the creative process comes in. You can choose to do whatever design you want to do. That is totally on you. But what I want to do is add the Trinity. Since it's Christmas, I wanted it to kind of be sort of a religious sort of theme. And let me see if I have one that I've already done that give you an idea. Well, actually, I don't want to waste too much time. Let me show you. Just pick whatever side to the best side that you want to use, and then go ahead and draw your design. So like I said, I'm going to do the Trinity, but I'm going to do it sort of like almost Rae Dunn inspired. I don't know if she's ever done anything like this, but it's going to be super thin because I like the look, because I like the organicness of how this one came out. I actually made some, and I can't talk and do this at the same time. I actually made some earlier for my shop, and I wanted to do some more to show you guys how to do this for a quick gift. So I just drew a line, and if it's not the straightest line, honey, it doesn't matter because it's a handmade gift and it adds to the organicness of it. So I'm just going to draw another line across and create that cross. And again, whatever color you want to use, it's on you. Whatever design you want to do. And then I'm just filling it in. So I like the look of that. So now what I'm going to do is add 2 more crosses on either side here at the bottom. To create the Trinity. So I'm going to do that. Making small crosses. And here at the bottom, and I'm really, it's hard to see, y'all, because it's so small. And I think I've zoomed in as far as I could go, pretty much, yeah. So there we go. And that's it. That's all I did. And here, whoops, let me see if I can get a little closer. But I love how that looks. I think that is so pretty. And this one is simple. And you can do both sides if you want to, or you could paint, like I said, oops. Okay, is it gonna focus? There we go. You could paint the sides. And here, let me show you one that I did do that too. Like, oh, come on, camera. Like, I used this same brush, but I actually colored in or painted the back side this color. And then we can add the Trinity on here. Now this one I'm doing for my shop. I actually used a drill to drill a hole. But for this, I wanted y'all to be able to just use only Dollar Tree stuff so that you can keep it simple and make a whole bunch of these. So let me show you one that's been painted that I've done. And this one I used the paint pen from Dollar Tree, and I painted 3 sizes, and I did the same thing. And again, things like this you can tailor to whoever you're giving them to, their favorite color, whatever their name, you know, like a picture you can stamp on here. You can do whatever you want to do. Like I always say, I give you the roadmap, and it's up to you to take it and go whichever direction you want to go in. So yeah, so with this you can either put this on a keychain, which is what we're doing here today. I'm just gonna, or a key ring should I say, and just pop it on there like so, and you have a quick little gift. And you can embellish it further by putting charms if you have some, a piece of ribbon. You can actually put a ribbon on here and create like a book page marker or a planner tag or whatever you want to do, y'all. Quick and easy. And I'll show you a couple of other ideas that you can do. You can actually turn this into a necklace. And let's see, I have some string over here that you can use. Oops, I actually do, y'all, but I'm trying to get to it. Ugh. I am so sorry, y'all. I should have had this done already. But you can take some of the twine, and I'm trying to get it. The twine that they sell, oh, thank you, Jesus, in Dollar Tree. And here's some right here. You can take some twine and actually create a necklace with it. So here, we'll take this one off. Or actually we can, well no, because that one has the gold. I'm going to take this off and show you your options when you can do certain things. So, I'm going to create a necklace. And here, let's do it this way. just slide it through the hole. Here we go. And do a quick little slip knot. Like so. And then you have a cute little necklace, a charm or whatever. So it's totally up to you. You can add some beads and embellish it further. But yeah, these are quick, simple, and easy little DIYs that I wanted to share with you guys. This is the first in a series, so yeah. Hope you like this. If you do, let me know down below and give me a thumbs up. Make sure that you share this video. And if you haven't already, please subscribe so you can see more things like this. Totally enjoying the process here, y'all, with coming up with ideas for you guys. So yeah, again, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.